going to teach you about StoryJumper. So, what is StoryJumper? StoryJumper is a platform where you can create stories and share it with others. There's a whole library there. You can go read others' books and all. So so today I'm going to be teaching you how to use StoryJumper. So let's start. Let's open up StoryJumper, storyjumper.com, enter, and then load. Yeah. So as soon as you open StoryJumper, you'll be granted with this page. So if you don't have an account in StoryJumper, you need to press sign up over here, and then you need to, if you have a Google account, you can sign in with your Google account, or you can log in with your Facebook account if you have one, or you can create a StoryJumper account from the start. So you have to choose a username, pick a password, and re-enter the password. So if you already have a account, StoryJumper account, then you need to press login, which is over here. and then you can sign in with the Google account or Facebook account. If you had a StoryJumper account, you can log in with that. So I have a Google account, so I'll use that. So as soon as you log in, you'll have a you'll be granted with this page. So over here, this is my books. Here the here this particular section will show you the books you have created. If you scroll down, you'll get my collections. So if you have liked some book, it'll show books I like, and the books, if you and books, and if you have saved any book, then it'll show here. So now here the new book story. You'll get book story. Here you can read others' books if they've shared it. So yeah. So now, now we can press on create book in the my book section, and then you can press on create book like this, and then press on blank. There are templates over here, but we'll go ahead and click on blank. As soon as you click, load the editor, and you'll be granted with the this page, which is the editor, and then over here, these are the pages over here. So these are the pages, and then if you press, you can switch between pages. And here's a scrolling bar where you can go check all the pages like this. And then if you press on page, you'll go to that page. So first, to give the book a title, you should go to front cover, press on click to add title that here, and then you can give it a name. So I'll give mine the story. So now, as soon as you tap, you can like edit the text. You can change the font size and change the text color, bold it, italic, underline, and all. But I'm gonna leave it default, and then you can click to add your name. That is, so it'll be shown as the author's name. So yeah. Mm. And then yeah, and then and then again you can edit the text. You can change its font style, change its text color, bold, italic, underline, and background color you can change like this and all. But I'll just yeah. So I'll just leave it default. And then now there are scenes props. So first you can press on scenes, and then you'll get this like, and then you can choose a scene. These are the ones which come by default. If you didn't like any one of them, you can search a scene. Like let's say, and then you'll get scene. And then as soon as you press on it, it'll go there. And then you can press on more scenes. That will also open the same tab. And now I'll choose this castle scene, and then props. So you'll find a lot of props, or you can design your own characters. But I'll take the default prop. I mean, not default, like the props already given. Because I'm not good of a designer. I'm not that good in designing actually, so yeah. And then you can put props like this. And then yeah, so if you'll get this your cursor will change in this is hand cursor. So this is used to change the position place of the prop. And then this squares are used to resize the prop. And then this is to flip the prop. This is to duplicate the prop. And then this is to bring it forward and backward one layer. And then this is to delete prop. And then you can go to the and then there's this page which is named as a dedication page, where you can dedicate this book to someone. Now let's go to second, and then let's go to second page, and then here you can go to scenes and then put a scene. Like I'll choose this scene, and I'll put this prop, resize him. And yeah, these tabs are here for adding a page, deleting a page, undoing your last move, and duplicating a page. Yeah. So now now photos. We'll talk about photos. You can add your own photos, or you can search photos, or you can go completely bottom, and then you can like search photos. Like if I search for example castle, you'll get photos. And then if you press, it'll get added. Scene or prop. So if it was a prop, you can resize it, circle, square, rotate, and then you'll get the prop. But I won't. So yeah. But scenes are the same thing, but it's the background. Scenes are scenes. The backgrounds. Yeah. So, so you can, and then as soon as you get scenes, you can choose different scenes. And now, if you had mistakenly put in, okay, fine. If you had mistakenly made a mistake, and then you mistakenly put a page somewhere else instead of the place you want it to be, which means basically if you want to swap a page, then if you're trying to drag the page and place it somewhere, it doesn't work. So what you need, and there's no option also to swap pages here. So what you need to do is, you need to the page you want, you're gonna find that page over here, and then you'll have to hold that page until you get the orange borders. on that page, and then you can place that page wherever you want, like this fourth page. Like if this was supposed to be in third and this was supposed to be in fourth, it'll swap the page. But this might be a little bit glitchy sometimes. It doesn't work sometimes. So yeah, it just worked. It'll take a little bit of time for it to load, and then this voice. If you press on a page, click on a page, and then press on voice, it can basically give your own voice. Now let's first I need to talk about text. So text is basically like text boxes where you get to text like this. Let me just quickly create another. I'll just drag another block like that. Then text boxes are where you can type text like this, and then you can resize them and same text properties. Big text boxes are to narrate like once. Um, yeah, these are big text boxes, and there are fancy text boxes like this, which do the same thing. And then there are scroll text boxes, and then the speech text boxes, and then there are these star text boxes which are fancy. They do the same thing basically, except for the speech ones. That's to indicate a person who's speaking something. So um, so now let's go to text. So now I mean not text, voice. So voice is used to give a voice for the page. If this guy says hi, you can click on voice and record your voice by telling hi. So it's like you can narrate your whole book using voice like this. You can press on voice and then press on record over here. Hi! After you're done recording, press on that recording button, and then you can give a music, like you can play it, and then you can add music like adventure. You can press, and you can add even effects like bad. It sounds good. Yeah, yeah, like that. And then there'll be a save button over here. You should press on it, and it's done. So today I've explained all the features of StoryJumper, the StoryJumper editor, and you can even collaborate with your friends. So above, completely above, there'll be a button named Collaborator here, and then you can put your friends' email ID. That is your friends' StoryJumper account's email ID, and then you can invite him. And you can share with public. You can press on it, and then you can make it public, and you'll get a button like this, and you can make it public, family and friends, or private or public. And then at the end, after you, and then you'll get to add a description. You can add description. It's optional, however. So okay, you can just add the description and press on add to add it, and then it'll add it, and then you can comments. You can give comments here, and then yeah, that's all. That's it for today. So today I've explained all the features of StoryJumper. Thank you.